How to wear two face items in your avatar in Roblox. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate how to wear multiple face accessories simultaneously on Roblox. Whether you want to combine a mask with glasses or any other combination, I'll guide you through the process for both mobile and PC users. If you're on the mobile, start by visiting the Roblox website and requesting the desktop site. For PC users, simply head to the Roblox website. Once you're on the site, navigate to your Avatar Editor and access the desktop version. Within the Avatar Editor, locate your face accessories. To wear multiple face accessories at once, equip the first item that you want to wear. Then click on the Advanced in the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down if needed and find the Advanced option, which is available on mobile as well. Next, copy the asset ID of the first accessory and then equip this second accessory. Return to the advanced section and paste the asset ID of the first accessory. Click Save to apply both accessories simultaneously. You can repeat this process to add more accessories, and remember that there is a limit of 10 clothing articles per character. Enjoy customizing your character with multiple face accessories on Roblox. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more tips and tutorials. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.